Yeah, I do agree that Firehouse has been putting in a lot of work this offseason just to try to break into that starting five. It's tough. You're not taking Subway's spot. Subway's been the big man of the year for the past 25 years. He's the oldest guy on the team. He's the veteran, so he won't lose his starting spot until he retires. I know Jersey Mike was drafted out of high school, so you're not taking that point guard spot. He has that one spot locked up the rest of his career. I mean, he's been an MVP for the last 6 seasons. I think if Firehouse can transition to a power forward, I think there's plenty of spots for him. I know he's been the sixth man of the year for the past, I think, 4 years, so there's definitely a lot of hope there, but he just can't be competing in the same point guard realm as Mr. Mike.